Astrid. Astrid, you want to see the pipino, Astrid? Look, oh. This one, oh. Dalawa. You don't want to see it? This one, oh. Wow. Here. Wow.
Where is it?
Huh?
Inside the garden?
Inside the garden.
Inside the plants? Inside the plants?
Huh?
Daddy!
Yes. Yun, oh, tumubo lang. Yes, yes, yes. Dito yun, oh, tumubo. Tumubo lang dito yan. Ayan, itong puno. Sayang pagputulin. Daming bulaklak, oh. Look at the flowers. See? This one, the yellow.
Daddy!
Yes.
Go down.
Ha? May dalawang bunga na.
Ow! Ants!
Nagapang pa yan dito, oh. Yan, oh, ang dami.